How to install iPhone apps with Touch ID. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You will then be prompted to enter your passcode to access these settings. This section lets you manage how and where your biometric data is used across your iPhone. Now, tap the toggle switch next to iTunes and App Store to turn it on. A pop-up will appear prompting you to sign into your Apple account. Enter your password and tap OK to confirm. Now, head back to your home screen and open up the App Store. Find any app you wish to install and tap on the Get button. A confirmation pop-up will appear at the bottom of the screen. Simply double-click the side button to authenticate with Face ID and begin the download. Following these steps, you can easily install any apps with Touch ID on an iPhone.